Hi, I'm Diana Stewart, and welcome to the Love Her Protector workshop on COVID-19 vaccination during pregnancy. Today we're going to talk about myths that surround the vaccine, some facts, some benefits that are gained, and how to receive the vaccination. Some of the myths that have surrounded this vaccination are that it can change your DNA, but mRNA vaccines cannot interact with or change your DNA. The vaccination does not contain a live virus. It does not contain a microchip or tracking device. And this was misinformation that had been spread. Also, it does not make individuals magnetic or Bluetooth compatible. Cool, but not really possible, as it contains no magnetic ingredients or Bluetooth technology. And the data has shown that it does not cause infertility or miscarriage as once believed. Some facts about the vaccination. They are safe and effective in preventing sickness, hospitalization, and death. They work against the new variants and prevent transmission of the virus to others. Pregnant women who have gotten COVID-19 have had severe complications because of the low immune response during pregnancy. The symptoms of the vaccination are mild or moderate. You have symptoms such as fevers, headaches, muscle aches, and feeling tired. It is safe to receive during any trimester of pregnancy. Some of the benefits: long-term effects are unlikely. It strengthens the immune response and is a safer way to build immunity than getting the disease. The mother builds antibodies that are passed to the baby without complications. The mother is protected from harmful effects from the virus and death. So, how do we get the vaccination? Well, starting in March, at the local doctor's offices, clinics, and hospitals here in the Salt Lake County, you can receive both doses during your pregnancy or boosters. It's free. If you have any questions or concerns and you would like to set up an appointment, you can give us a call at 801-789-1234. Also, if you'd like more information regarding the vaccination and the effects during pregnancy, you can visit our website at https://sites.google.com/view/loveherprotector/home. Thanks so much for joining us today, and have a lovely day.